Listen and practice speaking skills. Hey, Alex. It's so good to see you. How have you been?
Hey, Emma. I've been good, thanks. It feels like ages since we last caught up. How about you?
I know, right? I've been keeping busy with work, but I've been craving some quality friend time. Hence, why I suggested this coffee date.
Couldn't agree more. Sometimes, a good cup of coffee and a chat with a friend are all you need to recharge. So, what's new with you?
Well, I recently started taking up yoga classes, and let me tell you, it's been a game changer. I feel so much more relaxed and centered.
That's awesome. I've been meaning to try yoga myself. Maybe you can give me some pointers sometime.
Absolutely. I'd love to. And speaking of trying new things, have you heard about that new sushi place that just opened up downtown?
Oh yeah, I've heard great things about it. I've been meaning to check it out. Would you be up for trying it together sometime?
Definitely. It's a date. I can't say no to good sushi and even better company.
So, have you watched any good movies or TV shows lately?
Funny you should ask. I just binge-watched this new series on Netflix, and I'm completely hooked. It's got everything: drama, suspense, a hint of romance.
Sounds intriguing. I might have to add it to my watch list. Thanks for the recommendation. Oh, and speaking of recommendations, have you read any good books lately?
Actually, yes. I just finished this incredible novel that had me hooked from the first page. I'll lend you my copy if you're interested.
I'd love that. Thanks, Emma. You always know the best books to read. Hey, do you remember that hiking trail we talked about exploring last time?
Of course. I've been itching to go on a hike lately. How about we plan a trip for next weekend?
Sounds like a plan. I'll pack some snacks, and you bring your adventurous spirit.
Hey, John. It's such a beautiful day, isn't it?
Hey, Sarah. Couldn't agree more. Perfect weather for a stroll in the park. How's your day been so far?
Not bad at all. Just had a busy morning at work, but now I'm enjoying this little break. How about you?
Same here. Dealing with some household chores this morning, but now I'm happy to relax and soak up some vitamin D. By the way, did you hear about the new cafe that opened up on Elm Street?
Yeah, I did. I've been meaning to check it out. Maybe we should grab a coffee there sometime.
Definitely. I'm always up for exploring new places, especially if it involves caffeine. So, any exciting plans for the weekend?
Nothing too crazy. I might do some gardening, try to spruce up my balcony a bit. What about you?
Actually, I'm thinking of hosting a small barbecue in my backyard on Saturday. Just a few friends, some good food, and maybe some music. You're welcome to join if you'd like.
That sounds like a blast. I'll make sure to bring some dessert. Oh, speaking of dessert, did you hear about the new bakery that opened downtown?
No way. I must have missed that. You'll have to show me where it is sometime. I'm always on the lookout for good pastries.
Absolutely. We can make it a mini food tour, first coffee, then pastries. Sounds like a plan?
Sounds like a delicious plan to me. So, how's your cat doing? I haven't seen Mittens around lately.
Mittens is doing great, thanks for asking. She's been enjoying the sunshine and chasing birds in the backyard. Maybe I'll bring her along to the barbecue if she's up for it.
That would be awesome. Mittens is always welcome at my place. Hey, have you watched that new movie everyone's been talking about?
Not yet, but I've heard great things about it. Maybe we could have a movie night at your place after the barbecue.
Sounds like a plan. I'll stock up on popcorn and snacks. Can't wait to see what all the hype is about.
Hey, Mark. How's your day going so far?
Hey, Emily. Not too bad, just trying to tackle this never-ending pile of emails. You?
Pretty hectic, to be honest. I've been swamped with meetings all morning. But I'm glad we finally have a chance to catch up.
Me too. So, did you hear about the new project that got assigned to our team?
Yeah, I did. It sounds like it's going to be a challenging one, but also really interesting. Are you excited about it?
Definitely. It's always nice to switch things up and work on something new. Plus, it'll be a great opportunity for us to showcase our skills.
Totally. Speaking of skills, have you had a chance to look into that new software our manager mentioned in the meeting?
Not yet, but I plan to dive into it later this afternoon. It looks like it could really streamline our workflow if we implement it correctly.
Agreed. Let me know if you need any help with it. I'm always up for learning something new.